Hello, today we are going to learn set. So what is a set? For our course of data science, we will consider the definition of set as a collection of atoms. These curly braces indicate the set and read it as set of. So it contains any element such as capital A, small b, integers like 0, 5 or -1, decimal point such as 1.5 or any text. So collection of these atoms is called as a set. So this capital A, small b, 0, 5 are called as objects or elements or members of set. They all means exactly the same things. We use capital letters like capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. to name the set, and small letters like small a, small b, small c to represent elements. If A is an element of set A, then we will write it as A belongs to capital A. This letter, Greek letter epsilon, indicates belongs to. So rule is that the sets are completely unordered. Unordered means even though we change the sequence of elements of set, the set remain exactly same. For example, let us see the set of Kohli, Dhoni, Pujara. If we write Pujara initially, then the set will be set of Pujara, Kohli, Dhoni. So the set doesn't change. It is exactly the same. This set is exactly same as this set. And another rule is that duplicate do not matter. We write the distinct element only once. So in a set, do not repeat the element. Even though the element is repeated twice, we will count it only for one time. Another example is that if A is a set of natural numbers less than 6. For our data science program, we include 0 in a natural numbers. So the natural numbers less than 6 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, our set is a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A is the name of the set and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called as elements or objects or members of set. Is the 0 present in a set A? Yes, 0 is present in a set A. Therefore, it is an element of set A. So, we write it as 0 belongs to A. This Greek letter symbol in denote belongs to. Is the 7 present in a set A? No, 7 is not present in a set A. Therefore, it is not an element of set A. Therefore, we write it as 7 does not belongs to A. This indicate does not belongs to. If we change the sequence of elements in this set A, that is, if we write set A as a set of 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, then also this set A is exactly equal to this set A. This means the sets are unordered. So what is the cardinality of set? Cardinality of set means the total number of elements present in a set. Example, A is a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the cardinality of set means total number of elements or atoms present in a set. Elements of set A are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the cardinality of set A is 6. In a set, do not repeat element, or even though the element duplicate, we will count it only for one time. Now let's see the example. The set of letters forming the word school is S, C, H, O, L. Here O occur for two times, but we will write it only one time in a set. Even though we change the sequence of these letters or the sequence of these elements, the set remains the same. That is, even if we write H first, O, L, C, S, then also these two sets are equal. So the cardinality of the set is 5, because cardinality means total number of elements present in a set. So count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the cardinality of set is 5. Note that sometimes in exam they mention O for two times, that is, they duplicate it, but we will count this O only for one time. So the cardinality is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let L be the set of all letters present in word school. So the L is a set of S, C, H, O, L. Is the S present in L? Yes, S is present in L. Therefore, S belongs to L. Is the W present in set L? No, W is absent. Therefore, W does not belong to L. Set comprehension. In a set builder form, all elements possesses a single common property. For example, V is a set of these curly braces. Read it as is a set of colon means such that, and read it like V is a set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. X is a vowel in English alphabet is a characteristic property. So V is a set of A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels of English alphabet. Empty set. So what do you mean by empty set? Empty set means a set which does not contain any element at all. Empty set are also known as a null set or a void set, and they are denoted by Greek symbol phi, and it can also be written as empty curly braces. The example of empty set is that a set of students studying simultaneously in a class 10 and class 11. This is impossible because a student cannot study at class 11 without passing a class 10. Therefore, it doesn't contain any element. As it doesn't contain any element, the cardinality of empty set is 0. Note that inside this curly brace, if we write phi, then it does not indicate empty set, because this phi means we are writing one element inside these curly braces. That means the cardinality of this set is 1. Therefore, it is not an empty set. Subset. A set A is a subset of set B if every single element of A is also an element of B. This symbol indicate is a subset of or is a contain in. Example, let A is a set of 1, 3, 5 and B is a set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now the question is A is a subset of B? So check whether all elements of A are present in a set B. So check it. Elements of A are 1, 3, 5. Is A1 is present in a set B? Yes, 1 is present. Is 3 present in a set B? Yes, 3 is present. Is 5 present in a set B? Yes, 5 is present. That means all elements of A are present in a set B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. While checking whether A is a subset of B, we will check only for elements of A and we do not care about the extra elements present in B. That means we will not care about 7 and 9. See the another example. Let A is a set of 1, 3 and B is a set of 1, 5, 9. Now the question is A is a subset of B? A set is a subset of another set if all elements of set is present in another set. Now check whether elements of A are present in a set B. Is 1 is present in set B? Yes, 1 is present. Is 3 is present in a set B? No, 3 is not present. Therefore, A is not a subset of B because 3 is absent. 3 does not belong to B. Therefore, A is not a subset of B. Rule is that every set is a subset of itself. A is a subset of B. A. The empty set phi is a subset of every set. Example, let A is a subset of 1, 3, 5. Therefore, A is a subset of A itself. Proper subset. Let A and B be two sets. If A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B, then A is called a proper subset of B. Example, A is a set of 1, 2, 3 and B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the question is the A is a proper subset of B? To check the proper subset, check the two conditions. If A is a subset of B, subset means every element of A must be present in set B. Now check the element of A. Is 1 present in a B? Yes, 1 is present. 2 is present in a B? 2 is present. Is 3 is a present in a B? Yes, 3 is present. That means all elements of A are present in a set B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Now check second condition. Is A is not equal to B? Yes, A is not equal to B. Therefore, A is a proper subset of B. Another example, A is a set of 1, 2, 3. B is a set of 1, 2, 3. Now the question is the A is a proper subset of B? To check a proper subset, check two conditions. If A is a subset of B, subset means every element of A must be present in a set B. So check for the element of A. Is 1 present in a B? Yes, 1 is present. 2 is present in a B? Yes, it is present. 3 is a present in a B? Yes, 3 is present. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Now check the second condition. Is A is not equal to B? No, here A is exactly equal to B. Therefore, it is not a proper subset. Subset are often denoted by these symbols, means subset symbol and underlying dash. So it indicates A can be equal to B. Example, X is equal to Y. Proper subset are indicated by this symbol, and condition is A is strictly smaller and A is not equal to B. Prime numbers are subset of natural numbers. Power set. A collection of all possible subset of a set is called a power set. Example, X is a set of A, B. So what are all possible subset we can form? Remember that the empty set is always an element of power set. So the power sets is phi, set A, set B, set AB. So what is the cardinality of power set? Cardinality means total number of elements present in a power set. So the formula is, if a set has n elements, then the total number of subset is 2 raised to n, where n is elements of set. Example, A is a set of 1, 2, 3. Total number of elements in a set A is 3. So by formula it will generate 2 raised to n, that means 2 raised to 3 subsets. So it will generate 8 subsets. So these subsets are phi, set 1, set 2, set of 3, set of 1, 2, set of 1, 3, set of 2, 3 and set of 1, 2, 3. So the cardinality of this power set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you.